Hey, how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and welcome to another 5-Minute Friday. Short and simple little lesson that you can take, make your own, and have a lot of fun with over the weekend. So today we're going to be checking out this beautiful, beautiful song that I love so much. And I'm going to show you how you can take the chords and do your own thing with it and make it your own. The song is called Moi Seg, Uns Vida. It's an Austrian song that is so deep and so beautiful, and the story behind it is incredibly tragic. I'll leave a link for his live performance underneath this, and then you can look deeper into the song if you're curious. But it's just such a beautiful, perfect song. So let's just get into it. I'm going to be showing you how to play this melody. That's really what I love the most about the guitar part. The lyrics are also amazing, but they're in German, so a lot of you won't understand it. But you could look it up if you want to. So anyways, we're starting off on E minor, but we're not going to play the entire E minor. We're just going to hold down that E, and then that's going to allow us to do this beautiful little walk down with the melody, okay? And I'm also going to have tabs for you because it's really hard for me to explain note by note, you know, what strings I'm hitting. I'm going to explain to you the melody and show you a couple ways that you could get through this and play the melody. And then it's going to be your homework to make it your own and play around with it. And then if you want to know note for note how I did it, there's a tab for that, okay? Because it's just too hard to verbally articulate like note by note what I'm doing with my right hand, okay? Okay, so let's just get into it. So the first chord is E minor, and I'm not holding that entire E minor, I'm only holding down this note, and that's allowing me to do this beautiful walk down, okay? So I'm playing it like this. I'll play it slowly for you. So that's really what your ear is hearing. It's hearing that E minor tonality, and then this nice melody, right? Okay, so and with your right hand, other than that melody, you could experiment with different, I don't know, just different little patterns. That's one of my favorite things to do, to just pluck around and use my ear to find what sounds good, okay? But the main thing again is the second fret, third fret, second fret, open, okay? So that's on the E minor. So okay, now we're gonna go into a C. And I'm really trying to have this note be my main note on that C at first, okay? So okay, I'm not playing the open E, okay? Because we already had that here, right? Now when I go to the C, I want you to hear this. See that? So the melody is kind of this da, da, da. And then it goes to this note, okay? So one more time from E minor, that beautiful melody into C. See how nice that sounds? And then we're gonna have this beautiful walk down. So now we're on the second string, third fret, first fret, and then open. So that same kind of a idea, just now we're doing it on the C. See how beautiful that is? So see how beautiful that melody walk down is? And then we're going to go to the G, and now I'm going to leave this note open, okay? So we have on the melody, then we have, and then we go to G, we're going to have that same thing that we had on the C, okay? So that'll be easier to remember, okay? So all together real slow. See how beautiful that is? And now the last chord is going to be a D sus2 with the F sharp on the bass. I like to use my thumb. You could maybe finger it differently if you want to. okay? But that's how I like to play it. Okay, so I'll go with my thumb on the bass, and then I'll do this. And then on that D, we're gonna have the melody go like this again, okay? So real slow all together. Okay, so I went for that D with the F sharp. And then I had this nice walk down. One more time, the whole thing. And then you take these ideas and make them your own, okay? Short and simple little lesson that you can take and make your own and have a lot of fun with over the weekend, right? I'm hitting that a little harder, making it sound a little bit more dramatic, if you notice. See that dynamic? I hit it harder, then I hit it softer, right? Dynamics, right? One more time. Okay, again, I have a tab if this was too much for you or you want to know really note by note what my right hand is doing. It's already tabbed out. And that's about that, okay? So make this your own, play around. Now you know this cool little melody that's kind of surrounding these chords. Play with that, make it your own, experiment with different, finger picking patterns, That's what I do the whole time. I rarely play it the same because I just love enjoying the music and mingling with the music. Okay, so do that. That's your homework. And then if you want to get the tab, it's free underneath, and you'll see note for note exactly how I played it now and on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you next Friday. Take it easy. Bye bye.